All right, some of you are having an issue trying to copy and paste your score or figuring out what to do with the tracking your score assignment. So it's really simple. Once you get into the assignment and you get to the particular question that says you're keeping score for 3 games. In the first game, you score 185 points. For the second game, change 4 of your previous frames to open frames. And third, you score a perfect game. Now, after you've read the lesson, you'll know what all those mean. And then it says use the scorecard generator to create your 3 scorecards. Copy and paste the scorecard for each game in the assignment. Click here to open the scorecard. It's the same scorecard you looked at through the lesson. So you're going to click here, and then it opens up the scorecard. And then you're going to put in the scores. And we're going to just use a perfect game here, because if you've read that, you know what a perfect game is. Actually, let me go back and just show you this just in case. It says here, 0 to 9 is what you're going to use, or an X for a strike or a slash for a spare. So, for example, if in frame 6 we ended up getting 4, then we put a backslash for a spare. Okay, and then we're going to go just finish it off with strikes. And we'll strike out the last frame. And then we have to click calculate. Then it gives you a score in a pop-up window. This is what you're going to copy. So you come right over here and you hit right click. After you've dragged and highlighted it, you hit right click and copy. Then you come back over to the assignment and I accidentally deleted the box, but here's where you'll paste it, just like that. All right. And then between the next set, you come in and you're going to clear the form again, create a new one, calculate the score, copy, and come back over and paste it right there. Okay. Now, of course, on this example, I didn't do a second one. I copied and pasted the same thing. All right. But that's what you do. And you copy and paste all 3 examples, showing that you understand how to keep score. So that's how simple it is. Copy and paste into the box. And that's all it is. That's all there is to it.